RAJ Kumar KHABIA. Today we will discuss on the theories of acids and base. First of all, Anthony Levison in 1777 suggested that acids are those substances which containing oxygen, while some acids like hydrohalic acid, hydrobromic acid, hydrochloric acid and other acids having no oxygen while act as acids. After that, another scientist named as Sir Humphrey Davy modified this theory in 1810. He suggested that all acids containing hydrogen, while some compounds containing hydrogen but doesn't act as acids. After this theory, another scientist named as Justus von Liebig in 1838, he suggested that acids are those substances when they react with the metals produce hydrogen. Now we will discuss on the famous theories about the acids and base. First theory is RNS theory. This theory was suggested by a Swedish chemist named as Seventy RNS in 1884. He suggested that acids are those substances which produce H ion in aqueous solution. For example, HCl produce H ion and chloride ion. Another acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, produce 2H ion and SO4 2 minus. Another acid, phosphoric acid, H3PO4, produce 3H ion and PO4 3 minus. These acids containing a number of protons. If any acid produce one proton, known as a monoacid or monoprotic. If an acid produce two protons, known as a diacid or the diprotic, while acids containing three protons are known as a triprotic or triacid, while di, tri and tetra are collectively known as a polyacids. Bases are those substances which produce hydroxide ion. For example, sodium hydroxide, also known as a caustic soda. When solvent water is added, it is known as aqueous sodium hydroxide. It dissociated and produce sodium ions and hydroxide ion. Another base, calcium hydroxide, when solvent water is added, it is known as aqueous calcium hydroxide. It produces calcium ion and two hydroxide ions. Another base known as aluminum hydroxide, when water solvent is added, it is known as aqueous aluminum hydroxide, produce aluminum ion and three hydroxide ions. Those bases which contain more than one hydroxide ion are also known as a polybase. But if any base containing one hydroxide ion, it is known as a monobase. If any base containing two hydroxide ions are known as a dibase, and if any base containing three hydroxide ions are known as a tribase. This RNA theory also containing some drawbacks, like acids are those substances which produce H ions and bases are those substances which produce OH ion. But these H and OH ion doesn't exist free in the nature. Hydrogen combined with the water to form hydronium ion, while hydroxide ion combine with water to form complex H3O2 minus. And acid and bases only produce H and OH ion in a water solvent, not in any other solvent. Some bases like ammonia and calcium oxide act as a base, while they doesn't contain any hydroxide ion group.